Got it.
A minor arc is an arc that is lesser than 180.
Okay, good. Less than 180 degrees. So then, Darius, I saw your hand was up. What's a major arc? It's what? Okay, so a major is more than 180 degrees. And then lastly, and let me get hands raised silently, what is a semicircle? How do I know? Like when I'm looking at a circle, how do I know the difference between a major arc and a semicircle? And I know I see some hands. I want to see a couple more on the left side of the room. Because I know a couple of you know it. Afia, what do you think? Exactly 180 degrees. Okay? Now, the next thing I want you to do is thinking about these definitions. Think back to your do now, and I want you to raise your hand silently and tell me, what are two minor arcs in this circle? Maria, what do you think?
R,
So I can hear you. R what? RP? Okay. How many degrees from R to P? What else is RP besides what you think? Let me ask Priya, what else is RP? So I'm going R to P, and I'm also going the center of my circle. So what else is it? What else would you call that? Not exactly a major. There's another word I'm looking for. There it is. It's also a diameter, right? And so when I have a diameter, it's cutting my circle exactly in what? Half, right? So that's not necessarily a minor arc, but go ahead, Bria. Try to give me one minor arc.
got the letter in the middle.
You're right. Thanks.
Well, R and C.
R and C. So R and C would be a radius, right? When we're talking about arcs, we always want to talk about the outside of the circle. So RC is a part of a circle, and it's an important one. It's a radius. But when we're talking about arcs, we really want to focus on these outside numbers. So Imani, what do you think?
P and Q.
P and Q. And then Justice, what do I need on my P and Q to make sure that it's labeled correctly? The arc. Okay? Because if I didn't have this picture and I just saw PQ, I don't know what it is. So you gotta go ahead and make it very clear that it's an arc by putting that rainbow over the letters. And that's something that a lot of people forgot to do on their quiz. So even though you guys had the right minor arcs, you didn't completely label it correctly. Let me get another minor arc. Khalil. RS. Okay, those are two, good. Let me get some more. There's a couple more. Corey.
SP.
S what?
SP.
SP, good. Any others? Jolly.
RQ.
RQ. All right, now let's move on. Now major arc, you guys told me that it's more than what? More than 180. Now there's one other